Yes, now. Meal Deal Minus. From Meal Deal Minus. Yeah, we're back, aren't we? We're back. Feels good, you know. Feels good to be back. I've had a long time off, Anna. I've had a long time off, so... Sorry. Because I've had you waiting, Anna. You know, you've been sending me DMs. You know, Facebook messages. Text messages. When's next video? And I've been saying this week. But I hadn't done it, have I, that week? But I've done it this week, Anna. So I am back. So I'm sorry for the delay. Let's just say we had some technical difficulties. You can't see it because I'm using it, but I bought myself a tripod. I thought it's about time I treat you with a bit of respect. You know, and stop putting my phone in a plug. You know, an upside down plug to do my videos. So I've got myself a nice tripod. And it come with this. You see that? It's a remote control. You see it? So every time I click this button, it takes a photograph. I know, it's unbelievable that, innit? I've been playing about with it all night. Fantastic. 13 quid delivered. Tripod, remote control, Amazon. Brilliant. Right, bit of something different for you today. No meal deal. I know, crazy. Because I'm Meal Deal Minus, aren't I? You know, from Meal Deal Minus, but what we on? 25 to 8 PM. So I've missed the window of opportunity. You know, the dinner time meal deal. So I've got McDonald's. And I've spent, I don't know if you can see that because it's small writing in it, but I've spent £4.39. I've got myself some spicy chicken nuggets, 20 of them. Oh, I am pretty excited about this, I'll be honest. I seen the advert, you know, that they were coming out. Sorry. Let's do an unboxing. 20 spicy chicken McNuggets. Now it says share box, doesn't it? But no, I'm gonna have them for myself, I think. So as far as the box goes, it's the same, innit? It's just a bit orange. Made with 100% chicken breast meat. I don't know if that's accurate. Do you? Let's have a look at them. Oh, they do look spicy, don't they? They're like orange. They actually smell nice. They do smell nice. Right. Let's have a look what sauce we've got. So, he's give us a spicy tomato dip. He's give us a sweet and sour. Well, I say he's give us, I asked for this one. I do like the sweet and sour. And then I've gone for your standard ketchup. And we've got about 4 of each. This is not worse than getting fuck all sauce, is it? Sorry, did you see that sweet and sour one? That's it. So I think we'll start with your standard ketchup. Or shall we have one dry? Yeah, we'll do a dry one. We'll do a dry run. Here he is. I was just about to say they're not spicy and then a bit of spice, isn't they? So you're inside. That's looking like a normal chicken nugget, that, innit? See that? But I'm pretty sure the spice is on the coating, innit? They're nice. Yeah, they're nice. Right, let's try one with a sauce. So we're going for your standard ketchup. Everyone knows what ketchup tastes like, but not with a spicy nugget. It's all about the condiments, innit? I'm enjoying it. I'm fucking loving it, actually. You don't hear that so much, do you, nowadays? I'm loving it. I think they still say it, don't they? But you don't have Justin Timberlake singing about it, do you? It's not thrown down your throat. I am loving that. That's nice. Right. Let's see what this spicy tomato is saying. Can't be that spicy, can it? Let's get a fair whack of it on. Fuck me, that's hot. I'll do a bit more of that. That's hot. Fucking hell. That is fucking hot. I've got a Fanta. Sorry, I didn't tell you about my Fanta, did I? Hang on. Oh my. I don't like that spicy tomato dip. Oh, I don't like that. Fucking hell. No, I don't like that at all. We'll have a photo of that. Oh, I don't like that at all. This might be a short video, this. Try a bit in sweet and sour. Fucking hell. Sweet and sour. Cool me down. That's nice. But I can still taste that chilli. That's nice, isn't it, the sweet and sour? You know, with the spicy nugget, it's a good combo. Just need to wash out that chilli sauce. You know, your spicy tomato, that's not for me. I think that's me done. So, Ronald, you get the thumb up for me. They are nice, them. But I'd avoid that spicy tomato dip like the plague. But yeah, get them while they're hot, because they're not around forever, have they? But they're a lot better than normal chicken nuggets. And when you're getting 20 for $4.29, that's meal deal style value, innit? Meal deal style value. Yeah, it is. So yeah, sorry that I didn't get a meal deal, but I will be back, and I'm not going to leave it another 3 months. I will be back soon for you, in the daytime, doing a meal deal. I just wanted to film this as much for my enjoyment as yours, really, because I have been wanting to try these, and I'm glad I did. I'm not happy I got that spicy tomato dip. I won't be getting that again, but on a whole, I am very happy. Of course, I'm going to be full after them, for $4.29. And what did Fanta cost me? £1. So, no, 4.39 wasn't it, nuggets? £1. So you're talking, you know, 5.39, aren't you? Yeah. So it's not bad for your tea, is it? Comment below where you want me to go next. Do you want a meal deal? Or do you want me to go, you know, KFC? Or do you want me to go, you know, Burger King or... Yeah. Alright, that'll do. Let's have another screenshot, actually. Let's have another photo, you know, with nuggets. Good thumbnail, that. Alright, thanks for that. Cheers.